Are they spicy?
Ryan, you okay over there?
What did you just bite,
Okay.
Ryan? Was that a habanero?
Oh.
Now don't rub your eyes.
Ah!
Yep, there you go.
A couple weeks ago, I burned microwavable mac and cheese. I forgot to put water in it.
Me, of all people. I'm gonna make chicken with jasmine rice and maybe some broccoli. Hey, they say clean the chicken. How do you clean it? Soap?
Who said clean the chicken?
I don't know.
No, those are good to go. Those are skin-on chicken thighs.
I've got a lot in common with him, being obviously an amateur athlete myself, so I understand how to speak the language of an Olympic athlete.
You know, everything needs seasoning, right?
Yes.
A hot pan and some fat. Just don't muck up the rest of your cutting board or your hands with raw chicken, then feed me with those hands. Capiche?
Right. Being an Olympian, I went with the bro meal. You get your chicken, your rice, and some vegetable.
Oh, you can really taste those habanero peppers.
Man, that chicken's hot as
Oh, man. It's good, guys.
Yeah, it is spicy. The problem, too, is that, like, mustard can read spicy, but I think this is not horrible.
I'll take that. Yeah, I'll take that.
Yeah, I mean, the rice obviously needed 6 more minutes. And, you know, I saw you take a bite of that habanero. What did you just bite, Ryan? Was that a habanero? Yep, there you go. You're like, this is really spicy. Let me just put 6 in here then, right? We gotta work on that instinct.
I think it's good, and I really like spicy food, so good job, baby.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, good job, baby.
It's like playing basketball.
Romeo's making a dough?
Y'all like that?
Oh, that's
I'm
good.
just trying to figure out what you're doing.
I'm making a pizza
Okay.
Oh, it's
with a
dough.
magical Super Romeo sauce.
Oh, man, I haven't had Super
Yes.
Romeo sauce in quite some time.
I'm scared of that.
Once upon a time, I tried to cook steak. It's a good sign when it's smoking.
Oh!
That means your meat is cooked. But long story short, I almost burnt down my cousin's house,
Oh! There we go. Hold on. Oh,
which banned me from ever cooking again.
let's make some sauce, baby.
How do you make the sauce? I have 2 amazing daughters, River Rose and Winter Snow, and they like to eat. Being able to make meals for my family, I think that'll just be the coolest memories ever.
So that's the Romeo peppered sauce.
Oh, what is this?
Look, that's just there for looks. Don't worry
That's
about
like,
that.
what a hot tub right there, huh? When you look under the water, that's what you see. Don't overboil your pizza sausage.
Got it, coach.
Romeo.
So look, I'm gonna just get straight to it. I call this the margarita and peppered pizza.
I can't see the pizza.
I got like a slice of nothing.
Look, just bite the bacon, okay?
Yes, the bacon burnt. The pizza dough under and over at the same time. I'm looking for the tomato with the margarita. But the fruit itself, I think, is nice. What fruit did you use?
You know, I had orange, mango, little pear in there.
Pear?
You know, yeah.
Apple.
Straight from France.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's an apple.
Romeo, I do applaud your ambition by trying to tackle pizza here on this baseline challenge.
It's not delivery, it's hell no.
Thank you, Beverly, for taking the casing off that.
I do know that. I dream of cooking anything edible for my family. Ugh, this is the strongest chorizo. I don't know why it's not breaking up. My special power is burning food. I'm also excellent at burning myself. I gave up trying to cook, and my husband appreciates that. And that actually shows how much I care and love him. Not breaking up.
Beverly hasn't done anything. Who doesn't love Beverley Mitchell? 7th Heaven, that was my show. What is this?
This is my vegetable special.
Is there any other flavor?
Is it chorizo? Isn't that the flavor? I thought chorizo is a flavor. Like, that's got seasoning and stuff. Salt?
There is salt in
Yes,
there?
there is salt. And olive oil?
Okay. That little link gonna flavor all of this? I don't know this magic.
Originally, it was supposed to be called my heavenly breakfast, but it's a lot of veggies and some chorizo for some extra flavor.
The sausage really does bring it together. The chorizo.
Yeah, thank God for the chorizo, right? We can all agree upon that. Because nothing else is seasoned in here, nothing's cooked. It's just a salad of raw vegetables, essentially. And
I might have cracked a toothus. Do we have a medic on deck?
we do, he's back there. He's not a dentist, though.
You know, I think you did a good effort, right? But I'll be honest, this is one of those dishes that I don't care to take another bite.
Oh my gosh. I mean, I think the veggies were still frozen.
You don't have to eat them.
I will.
You don't have
We're a
to.
team.
I love that.
E.T., what are you making?
I call it the kitchen sink casserole. It's basically a bunch of leftovers stuffed in a mac and cheese.
Do the kids eat it?
Yes, he does.
All right.
Not by choice.
I'm still dad, so I, try to feed him. And mostly I just use my phone to cook, AKA delivery apps.
I don't know what I'm doing, really.
I would like to get to the point where instead of ordering takeout and then plating it and act like I cooked it, I want people to think I did that when I really cooked it.
It looks like mashed potatoes. Or as my mom would say, smashed potatoes.
As I'm trying to make my base for my cheese sauce, it's clumping up and curdling. It's curdling? Curding? Was that curdling or curding?
Usually I'll make the mac and cheese out of a box, all right? I'm not ashamed to say it. It did not look like this on YouTube, so I feel like it's gonna be a really thick cheese and I don't know how to thin it out. I don't wanna keep adding milk. Is that what I do? I don't know.
I don't think I'm off to a good start.
Screw it.
Your 3 minutes starts now. Okay, nice. Oh, there, he doesn't even need them.
My strategy is sheer numbers.
Keep them nice.
In my experiences with the challenge, I look for an edge. And to me, it's gonna be a lot easier to grab a ravioli and put it onto my station if I have a little bit of glue on it.
Just like Nona used to make.
That's what I'm talking about.
That looks good.
I want my raviolis to be treated like I would like to be treated. Lovingly. Gentle.
Oh! Did you see her wash her hands? The tiny hands were washed! I'm very proud of Manila because she's not getting it all over and she's closing it as well. So hey, you got it, keep going. Slap it, CT!
Don't listen to her.
CT is just an animal. Regatta's flying through the air like an Italian snowstorm. I don't know what's happening. This guy has no control.
No bueno.
Look at
I feel like I gotta be crushing it, right?
Great job, Manila. Stay the course, stay the course.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, please bring us your raviolis.
Let's use that term loosely. I have a good amount of ravioli on my tray. But you just never know in these games. I mean, anything can happen.
Let's count the red teams. We have 1, 2, I'm not gonna give you that one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What? It felt like I was up there making raviolis for an army. And I got 8?
Oh, we got that. I think we got 8. We got 8. We got 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8?
Yes, and then this one does have the baby hand inside it, which is not an appropriate ravioli filling. I gotta give it to the red team on this, I'm sorry.
Sorry, Chef.
Whoa, you okay back there?
It's just CT looking for something.
Sorry, Chef.
You mixed it or something like that.
Oh, make a bigger well.
You're making them do the well method, huh?
Yeah.
Good for you. We're using
Never
food
done it,
processor
so
today.
Come on, get to a ball, get to a ball.
Many ways to make pasta dough. By far the easiest way to do it is in a food processor. This is my gift to my blue team.
Mine's not balling up.
And what do?
It's stuck. My pool is stuck.
Oh, it's so sticky.
Ooh. Ouch.
How does one mess up balling up a ball of dough in a food processor?
I caught my finger.
Medic.
Nobody told me there was going to be a sharp, sharp blade at the bottom of this food processor.
Wow! Ah!
What do was it with hands?
Just use your fork, you can mix it. Pasta, you have to learn to feel it. Is it super wet right now?
Yes.
Add a little flour.
With which
Get it off of your hand. You know, not everyone can do it.
Oh, no.
I cracked my eggs, and now I just realized I didn't make the hole big enough, so it's spilling all over the place.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ah!
Your hole has to be big enough for all the eggs.
No! No, the dam broke! Manila, how big is your hole? You got it together?
She's like a volcano. It's like a lava flow. The villagers at the bottom of the volcano, watch out!
Oh, the humanity.
Toasted, not burnt pine nuts.
I totally burned my pine nuts.
How we looking, Beverly? Look a little burnt, right?
I am.
You got time to refire. They're expensive, all right? I'm trying to save the budget here. Bev, get another one going. Pine nuts go from perfect to crap in about 20 seconds.
Maybe 3rd time's a charm?
She literally blew through about $78 of pine nuts.
Pine nuts are expensive, apparently. Who knew?
Is your tortillas hot? Get them warmed up.
Oh,
She's out. Okay, maybe they're a little burnt. Only perfect tortillas for my chefs.
Uh-oh, get another one down.
No, that ain't gonna work.
You gotta start slicing that meat, Val. You don't have time. Stop eating. I need it on the plate.
40 seconds left.
Run them, Cowboys.
Ryan, you gotta get some in your tacos, man, just to start building.
I'm not gonna have time to make my topping.
Hey.
All right, Ryan, come on down.
I wasn't moving very fast, so I got you to the crema ground beef taco. That's about it. I am missing the toppings. I feel like I'm swimming naked with no Speedo. You need the Speedo. It's that bad, huh?
I don't know what it is. Oh, I got.
Jeff can't even eat my taco. Oh, why you gotta do me like that, Jeff?
What?
I don't feel good about this.
Val,
Yep.
asparagus is a little overcooked.
Okay. This is not good. It's a very flaccid asparagus.
So I would grab a few more and do it
Okay.
again.
Okay.
You need to start over.
Got it. I'll make more.
Oh.
Think these need a little bit more time, Chef.
You're the boss. I'm just a guy up here.
I'm ricing potatoes.
Yeah, I'm trying to redeem myself from those so-called sweet potato fries I was supposed to make last dish. I'm gonna keep it simple with the crunch, plus I want to show that I can make French fries.
What's up, French fry? Are they in here, huh? You're going. You put a lot in there, all right?
You know, it's always good to have extra.
No, but it might bring the heat down, so they might not get as crispy as you want them to. I mean, that's really full, dude.
So Chef Jeff tells me I got too many potatoes in my fryer later.
I would take half of these out, like, now. Or you're not gonna get them golden brown.
I didn't think that was a thing. More?
Yeah,
You take
not-
more? You sure?
Take that, like, clump out, yeah? Like, just do several batches.
Fries. It seems like it's something so simple, but if you do wrong, they snowball into a bigger issue. That didn't work.
Manila, what's up with those onions over there? They're looking a little extra crispy.
You just get out. Out! It'd be so much easier if I was just sitting in my car, waiting in line at a drive-thru.
I'm actually going to do, for my burger, I am intending to make a pear, onion, bacon jam. Ooh, these are no good. With crispy onions. What? Okay, watch out. I just dropped some onions. Watch out, this is very slippery. I'm doing a lot of things that I have never done before because I'm just trying to show Chef Jeff that I am learning in this process.
I don't want to scare you mid-cut, but I am approaching the station. How we doing?
I'm a bit of a disaster.
Why?
So I had to like start over.
So what's that?
That's the bacon.
Oh, that's the jam.
Yeah.
Next stop, Burntown.
So I'm pivoting
All
yet
right.
again.
Don't worry, you're the queen of the redo.
I like to do things multiple times.
But I gotta be honest with you, you're crushing our budget, okay? Well, every time you throw something away, they fire another crew member. So keep that in mind.
I'm trying not to. These things look like crap. See you later.
24. You got this? What's this?
That's cucumber.
Oh, cucumber?
I'm a dancer. I got this.
I feel pretty good for someone who doesn't mess with pork. The pork, I'm not gonna try it. I don't eat pork, but I've watched the other two make their pork tenderloin. Yeah, let's do it. I can do this. Oh, baby.
Careful.
My rabbi is gonna be on my ass after today. For religious reasons, I think I might have to DQ myself from this challenge.
Make sure this is all charred on all edges. I cut my tenderloin in half. I try to, you know, maybe cut a corner to see how far off I was. Whatever, it'll be fine. You never notice. So I thought.
Why'd you cut into the tenderloin?
I just had to peek. I just had to see what was in there.
You gotta use the temp instead of cutting.
I just put them back together. It's good as new.
Oh, you put it back together, magically.
Well, I mean, what do you want? I mean, I'm gonna slice them up anyway, so it wasn't like I was gonna serve it whole. Come on, I'm over here.
Wow. Look at over here. Look at the David Blaine of boot camp over here. He just magically put the tenderloin back together.
How's your duck doing?
She's almost ready to be flipped.
What's in here?
This is my
Everything?
cheese and my vanilla extract, my powdered sugar.
Okay, cool. That's
And-
good. Don't let it go too far.
I am very happy with my duck.
Yummy. All right, go in the oven. No pressing. Go in the oven for 2 minutes.
Throw her in the oven so she can get all crispy and golden brown. Unfortunately, oh my God, no. My Philano candy. Someone, call the fire department. I need a fireman.
Uh-oh.
Preferably one from one of those sexy calendars. Oh, crap. How can I be so stupid to forget that my phyllo dough was in the oven?
Oh, she gotta make it all over again.
I'm full on freaking out right now. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I cannot let this be the thing that takes me out.
You got rum? Where your rum at? Let's go. Fire it up.
I gotta prepare my sauce. I gotta flambe these currants.
That's enough. That's enough.
Unfortunately,
No, tilt it to where the fire touches the sauce.
currently, these currants are not flambeing for me
Tilt a little more. A little more.
at all. Maybe currants weren't the best option.
I can smell it though.
Try it again. Tilt it. Oh my God, there's no fire.
Whatever. Can't win them all. No fire for you guys, sorry.
5 minutes left.
5, all right. While my lamb's cooking, I realized I completely forgot about my caramel sauce. I'm supposed to put sugar in a pan, add a little water, let it dissolve and turn into liquid. However, it's not happening.
That is not what it's supposed to look like.
It's looking more like a crunchy little, I don't know.
That is not it, bro.
I'm gonna call it an apple crisp sprinkle at this point.
Gooseberries?
Sure.
I'm just overwhelmed.
No, you gotta flambe. You gotta put the booze in there.